Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing these. Let's start out with this. It's a sheriff badge and a handcuff set. Let's see. Okay, so here, it's a nice box. It's a nice box. So basically, it's this. It's just wait there. There it comes in that, and it's pretty easy to unbox. Like, let me put this on my shirt. Right. There. Well, it's not perfectly on, but it's on. It's good enough. Sheriff badge. Put that down. Unbox this. Box. Perfect. Just a box. Nothing. Here's the handcuff itself. Open the handcuffs up. Keys. Put that down. Handcuffs themselves. Let's see. Handcuffs myself to my desk. No, you can't see that. Put my microphone here. Handcuff myself to my microphone. So there are also these little things right here, but otherwise they're actually really cool. And then you can, I hope you can see that there. You might be able to see it perfectly well, but I'm in a weird position. Then there we go. Do the same with this, wait. And basically do the same. I can't, wait. No, you can't get a good angle on that, I'm sorry. And then you open that up like that. Just to make it better on camera, so we have, oh wait, no. Angle to the camera, we have this, and this. I think it's a good pack, actually. You got it on Amazon. Well, I've been back with Argentina, and I'm out.